My name is Ajit Parulekar. I am the director of the Goa Institute of Management, Goa, India. Needless to say, whilst a lot of businesses have been affected by COVID and the lockdown, business schools like us are also affected. The first impact has been that students who are due to do their summer internships in April and March, several of these internships expectedly have been disrupted. The internships can be done only from a virtual mode, which is a learning experience for them. But several organizations are not able to move to the virtual mode. In anticipation of this, by mid-March, we had our faculty working on developing alternate desk projects that students would be able to do in lieu of the summer internships. As on date, 70% of our students are doing desk projects like this. In addition to that, because we believe learning never stops at GIM, we decided that our students will also have online courses relevant to the kind of desk projects that they will be taking up, and that's what they're working on. Our executive programs, especially the weekend program that we run for working executives in Goa, that now completely runs on an online mode. We realize that COVID is not going to go away immediately after the lockdown, and norms of social distancing and variety of different other safe practices will have to continue for a long period of time, and the way we deliver education programs will definitely undergo a change, at least for the next couple of months. In anticipation, all our faculty as well as the program offices are looking at alternate modes of delivery. Currently, over 50 of our faculty are getting trained on using different kind of technologies and pedagogical approaches to make online learning not only possible, but to enhance the learning experience. Our faculty also are looking at what is the impact of COVID on different things, on the Goan economy, on the Indian economy, on the global economy, on mindset of employees. Our healthcare management faculty are working on what would be the best public health response to this. What would be the impact, when, how, where. Our operations management faculty are looking at how in these difficult times can supply chains be reworked to be able to deliver efficiently essential goods at places where they are most needed. My message to all of you is stay at home, stay safe, and stay productive. The next impact that's going to be is not going to be the health impact, but the economic impact. And therefore business schools have a big role to play. We need to show the way on how we can economically come out yet being safe out of COVID. Thank you.